I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Oryx Shield review. This video will help you know whether this product I'm talking about in this video today is legit or scam. If you have not ordered this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your question, should I buy the product or not. Friends, if you have experienced any fraud with the product, watch this video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before that, let's find out some essential details about the product. Here you can see this is a face shield. It is very different from the face mask people are usually wearing at the time of pandemic now, as this protects you from completely touching your face. Friends, this Oryx shield breathe easily, can be used with the glasses and mask. It is 100% hygienic, washable and reusable. This product can be used by both men and women, and as it is unisex. Price of the product, which is clearly given here, is offered to you with 37% discount, and it comes to 2600 rupees. Friends, but it is very important that before you buy such kind of product, you need to look for all the legitimacy checkpoints, the features of the product, customer reviews on it. So I'm going to share all these details with you in this video. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, as it will boost our spirit to make more informative videos for your assistance. Moving further, here you can see that now if you are buying this bundle of 3 Oryx shield, you get 30% off. If you are buying this 2 shields, you get 15% off, and no discount is available if you buy a single product. Moving further, this is how the complete product will look when you wear it. Oryx is the first and original face shield, as stated here. This will not make any kind of fog in front of the glasses ever again, which you will find on other kind of shields. Now they have mentioned that average person touches their face 23 times per hour. So it's very important to protect yourself from this pandemic situations and other kinds of allergens, bacteria and viruses. And for this, touching face can be protected when you wear something like this shield mask. Experts says that avoiding our faces is one of the action we can take on an individual level to stop the spread of pandemic. And you are also aware that it is extremely difficult to stop touching your face, as many public officials have recently discovered that we keep on doing this some or the other time within few hours only. So how we can quit this? We can quit this with the help of this Oryx shield, which actively keeps you touching your face. It is very effective for changing the unconscious behavior. You can still wear your own glasses while you are wearing this Oryx shield. Moving further, you can say that why we can't stop touching our faces. Now there are a lot of reasons. We feel scratch, we feel itch. So all these reasons we forget to remember that we are not supposed to touch our face, and this shield can be weared which will avoid you in touching the face. Now friends, moving further and talking about the social media presence of this product. Well, this product, we did not found any trace of social media about the product. It is not popular among the customers yet. People are not aware about its effectiveness. Also, talking further about the customer reviews, friends, we did not receive a single customer review on this very product. And also we found that there are many other substitutes of the product. So if you are not willing to invest such a big amount on a single mask, a single shield, and you think that mask is also offering equal benefits at a very low price, so you are not advised to buy this product, because this is not a budget friendly product. Also, its features are good, but as we did not found any single proof which exactly says that the product works the way it is describing, we cannot buy the product. So friend, for now I will not recommend you to test this product because of the spread of pandemic. You can feel protected the way you are doing. Now if you are looking for the money back option, it's simple friends. All you have to do is view the link which we have provided in our description box. Make sure you comment your thoughts on this video. Please like this video, Subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.